This is Bill and Ed North of the Florida Weekend Warriors. And this weekend's adventure, we are at Lake Manatee State Park, but we did a side adventure to the KOA at Hunsader Farms. It's a brand new KOA. It's a really cool place. They have a petting zoo. You can stay in a wagon wheel. You can stay in a silo. You can stay in a silo. It's a really cool new KOA. We'll see you there. See ya.
See ya.
Hunsader Farms KOA. There's the office. I guess you pull in this way and go around that way. Quite a few people checking in. The farmer's wife, petting zoo, and ice cream. Hunsader's Farms has their own farmer's market and picket fields. It's pretty popular. I don't see any animals. Oh, there's some kind of like train track, see it? Yeah. Every year, Hunsader Farms has a huge pumpkin festival that's very popular. And I think that's where they got the idea for the campground, because so many people would camp on the grounds during the festival. Cool. He's in prison. Train depot. Pumpkin cannon? You see that? They shoot pumpkins out of it? One of the buildings is labeled a saloon, so we're not sure if it's an actual store of some kind or if it's just for show. So this is the older section that has all the trees. You see all those trees are planted. They're all little scrub oaks. Yeah. You can tell they're all planted at the same time. And the new section in the back doesn't have any trees at all. Pretty cool. Now these don't have sewer, but the new section over there with no trees has sewer. Pretty cool, especially if you're coming here for the pumpkin festival. Yeah. Little camping cabins. Look at the fire pit. Oh yeah. Yeah, that side's got.
They look like they're bigger ones.
Yeah, those cabins look bigger and they have a nicer fire pit. Got little swings on the front.
How about these with the?
Oh, the covered wagon.
Covered wagon. How about this one inside one?
Oh, that's a cool idea.
Oh, that's just...
That's not you. That's for equipment and storage. Oh, look, they got air conditioners too. See it on the bottom? There's an air conditioner. Covered wagon with an air conditioner. Yeah. It's like a fishing lake?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't think they have it set up for fishing. There's something over there. I thought this place had a pool. Look at these. Look at these sites here. These are all campsites.
Look at that.
They got a covered patio, firebox, gas
got
grill.
Staying there.
Yeah. See, there's a spot for a hookup. These are campsites.
But it's on the... Oh, that's nice.
They're pull-throughs covered with a concrete patio. This is just the bathhouse here. Now these are the premium sites here. These all have full hookups, but there's no shade.
Maybe it's a fire pit.
No,
there's no shade.
No, I think it's a fireplace.
Yeah, fire pit. Well, yeah.
I think it's fucking firewood.
It means firewood or fire?
It looked like firewood.
Well, we're gonna stop at that one location. We're gonna go down the other loop, right?
Yeah, each of these premium sites has like a gas fireplace. That's a little round one. The other one had a square one. What's this area over here? Just a picnic area? Playground? Not much of a playground. And Oh, this thing over here, that's a dog petting area or whatever. Dog park. There's nobody in it.
I wonder what that thing is over there.
I think that's a cabin that you do stay in. Because it's got air conditioning, see it?
Yep.
And they do have one. I saw it on the website. That's the pet playground. Excuse me? Excuse me? Do you know where the winery is? I don't bite. No? You're not going to tell me? All right. See you later. They got a stage for entertainment. And here's some food vendors when they have the festival. They must only have it during the pumpkin festival. It's pretty cool though, doesn't it?
And they got a train track.
Yeah, there's a train. There's a train over there. Train rides for the kids. We hoped you liked this video. Sorry about some of the audio. Tried out a brand new microphone and it picked up the truck noise more than the voices. Give us a thumbs up if you liked this video, and if you've been to this campground, please leave a comment and tell us what you think. We'll see you in our next adventure. See ya!